Today we have a 1969 Mercedes-Benz 280 SL Roadster. It is an exceptional color combination as far as I'm concerned, of midnight blue and red, which was a period color combination as well. We sold it several years ago to a very good friend, and it has come back on trade. So we're going to drive it. We're going to hope that you enjoy the ride and let us know what you think. But it has no excuses. Hey gals and guys, here we go. It's a typical Mercedes. She is fired right up. We are going to set the tripometer. We are going to go straight to the gas station because we have absolutely no fuel in the car. And let's see, let's try the air conditioning. As befitting a Mercedes-Benz, she works great. It is one of the finest ones we've ever had. I'm sure there are others on the planet, but everything has been gone through. It is tight, tight, tight. It has been serviced regardless of use. Everything is working. And the horn works. So we will be back to you as soon as we put some fuel in it. Well, here we are on the back roads of Huntington, and at operating temperatures, and as you can see, she's great around town. And wait, watch this. This is our pretend waiting online for Starbucks. Yep, she's not overheating. Up, move up. Yep, we're still waiting. That one was a quick delivery. Hold on. I get my iced coffee. Everything's great. She's not overheating, and we can get on with it. They happen to be really elegant convertibles that like to be used. I guess the biggest problem we've always had with these cars is there's a range from $50,000 to $300,000 based on condition, and the fact that so many of them rusted badly. And for that matter, if they were rusted badly, a lot of people didn't repair them or restore them properly. So this one is not such an animal. This one is awesome. So here's a nice little cruise in the back roads towards our flyby area. I'll show you that she can get on it as well. So she's very happy at being a sports two-seater as well. And turning a couple of corners. You know, not like a go-kart. She's no slouch. She does everything in comfort. Today, so we really haven't had to use the air conditioning. But should it be 10 degrees hotter, we might even have to top up and use the air conditioning, and we would be pleasantly surprised that it would be working effectively, efficiently, and keeping our bums cool. So we'll be back to it in a couple of seconds with our flybys. we are on our farm road, which is where we usually pick up some speed. You know, earlier we did the faux stop at Starbucks, but that prompted me to go to the deli and get a big old iced tea. When I was younger, this might have been a big gulp, but green tea's where it's at today. And as you can see, you can cruise all over the place. And here, let's accelerate. So, wind in the air, no cup holder, a superb 280 SL Roadster. What can I tell you? I hope someone else loves it as much as I do. And we welcome your visit to our website to see both the car in detail and the road. My compatriot here is enjoying himself as well. Yep, cruising at its best.